Let's go. It is bright outside. Don't turn into the grass. Hold on. Let me help you. Okay, go. Pedal.
It's not doing anything.
Wait, because you stuck in the grass. Come on. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Go. Let me help you. Go. Turn your... Turn around. Now he is getting back on.
Ow, oh, step it. Ow.
It's in your pocket still. Wait, don't let it stick out or it's gonna fall. Okay, go. Drive, pedal, whatever. Stay away from the grass.
My tire's closed.
Go.
Mommy!
Turn, turn, turn.
Mama, oh, I know. Let's go straight ahead.
Okay.
And nobody's walking us.
This is great shade.
Because this is a great thing for TV and control TV.
Okay.
Time to go inside and check on the video. So let's go. And then we're going back out.